In this country, we have the presumption of innocence. It's one of the most fundamental principles of our criminal justice system. The problem is, anytime someone is accused of a crime, anytime someone is under a criminal investigation, the rest of society just automatically assumes they're guilty. My clients are good people. A lot of them have made a mistake. Some of them have been wrongfully accused, and I don't think a 1 to 2 second lapse in judgment when someone is going through the darkest moments of their life should define them. They have loved ones, they have family, they have children. This is a time of crisis. When you're charged with a crime, it's a scary time, and we understand that.
For the first time in my life, I got in trouble with the law. I was actually arrested, and I had to go to jail, and it was a horrifying experience. It was terrifying because I had no idea what was going to happen. My biggest fear is if I tried to go through this experience by myself was that I would do it wrong and I would end up in jail. I was terrified of going to jail, and I didn't think I'd survive.
We realize that most of our clients have never needed an attorney before. We want to make sure that we get over that bump in the road, and we're going to get through that together.
Before I met with Dod, I was in a state of panic. And after meeting with him, he was very reassuring, and I felt like this huge weight had been lifted off my shoulders. If someone found themselves in the same position I was in, where they were arrested and facing some sort of criminal charges, I would definitely recommend to not do it by yourself, and I would definitely recommend that they hire Dod.
Before I met with Dod, everything was running through my head. I had never been in trouble with the law before. He actually made me feel at ease, and because he saw that I was a nervous wreck. Anytime I had questions, he was always there for me. I would have no doubt in my mind that he would give the same level of service to somebody else that he gave me.
What makes me unique as a criminal defense attorney is I focus only on criminal defense. A lot of people always ask me, well, why do you only practice criminal defense? Why don't you practice any other area of law? And the answer is very simple. In any criminal case, the consequences are just too severe not to only practice criminal defense. A client has put their trust in me, and their fate is in my hands. I have my client's life in my hands. I have my client's liberty in my hands. I have my client's freedom in my hands. I have to only practice criminal defense because I owe it to my client. Choosing the right criminal defense attorney will have a significant impact on the rest of your life.